Hi everyone! Welcome to Garden Time with Miss Rebecca. Today's topic is how to make soot bird feeders. Yesterday we learned how to make cookie cutter bird feeders. Today we are going to learn how to make one more kind of bird feeder to hang in our garden to attract birds. We are going to be making soot bird feeders. For this activity, you will need bird seed, vegetable fat like Crisco, silicone molds or cupcake molds, twine, string, or yarn, a mixing bowl, measuring cups, and spoons. Now that we have all of our supplies gathered, we are ready to make our soot bird feeders. Follow along.
Step 1. Place 1 cup of birdseed in the mixing bowl and then melt 1/2 cup of vegetable fat in the microwave. Step 2. Pour the melted vegetable fat over the birdseed and mix together. Step 3. Cut your pieces of twine. For this one, I'm going to do half with twine and half without twine. Step 4. Fill your molds with the birdseed mixture we made earlier and let it dry overnight. Step 5. Pop your soot bird feeders out of the mold. The ones without twine, place them in a soot feeder. Step 6. Hang your new soot feeders outside.
Now we know how to make our own soot bird feeders. Tune in tomorrow, and remember to take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones, and take care of your plants. Bye for now.